Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, you're gonna see how to restore Google Contacts on Android. So you have to go to your settings and in here you'll find accounts, or you might directly go to Google. And after that, you have to go to all services. And in here you will find the option of backup and restore. So here you will find the option of restore contacts. So tap on restore contacts and it will lead you to your Gmail account, and you can restore it by tapping on restore in here, and it will be restored automatically or synced to your mobile phone. So yeah, this is how easy it is to restore Google Contacts on Android. But the foremost thing you need to do is just to log in with your Google account. So yeah, this is how easy it is. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.